Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens single cup break number 1070 of 1314 Upper Deck the Cup. Last team that in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on May 18th at 6:42 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time is currently Thursday, May 19th at 12:40 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here. And also for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate it. You can register your account there. Do have a couple ice breaks posted. Looks like some people are grabbing spots already. And 1070. We don't have any serial numbers tonight because we're pulling the first box out of a brand new case. So we'll turn you guys back around here. Alright, case 03 or 3268. I don't think it's gonna matter, but I don't guarantee any case hits here, but go over the seal on the case. It's sealed. Okay, so just before we cut open the case, so we're going to roll a six-sided dice. So how the dice is going to work, if we roll 1 or 2, it's going to be the top box there. Dice 3 and 4 is going to be in the middle, and box 4 and 5 is the bottom. So first dice we roll is for tonight, or the first set of numbers for tonight. Second set is for tomorrow, so good luck. So we got box 3, which is the middle one for tonight. And then we got the bottom one for tomorrow, which is box number 6. So we'll hand number the middle box is box 1, and then the bottom box, box 2. Oh, I almost got my finger there. And top one will be box number 2. All those little mini boxes starting to tower up there. Okay, so we rolled a 3, which is this one for tonight. So I'll show you the serial number for tonight. Which is 5951. So we're just gonna hand number this as box. It's a funky looking one, but they'll do. Then this one is the one for tomorrow. Hand number this is box 2. And that serial number is 5835. Box number 2. And then box number 3. I'm going to number it first, and we'll bring you this nice and close to the camera. So this one box will be listed as box 3 of 3 from the case there. That number is 65555. Pretty sure that's what it says. Yeah, 6555. Okay, so here we go, guys. Serial number one more time. We'll get started. So 6951. Okay, so good luck, everybody. On to our cup break. And we do have a Brilliance. Okay. So we start the break off with a base card going out to the Dallas Stars of Ed Belfour, number 205 of 249. Ed Belfour. And next one is a 2-color 3-break patch of Brock Nelson going out to the New York Islanders, 173 of 249 for the New York Islanders. Actually, a nice hit now. And our next one, oh, what a tease. Got a scripted swatches for the Colorado Avalanche of Gabriel Landeskog, 18 of 35. I could have possibly been the Big Mac there. So number 18 of 35, Gabriel Landeskog. And a nice Brilliance autograph for the Detroit Red Wings. We got Steve Yzerman. Haven't seen too many of these ones. Stevie Y going out to Detroit. So whoever has the Red Wings, just let me know if you want tracking on it. We'll make arrangements on it. So nice hit there for Detroit. And more hits for the Avalanche. We got a Cup Foundations triple jersey of Nathan MacKinnon, number 3/25 for the Avalanche. And finishing up the break with a print plate cyan version going out to the Predators of Austin Watson. Looks like from Upper Deck Ice. Yeah, Upper Deck Ice for the Preds. So there we have it, guys. Not a bad start to the case. We got box 2 tomorrow, triple game use, and double contour.